Hi, welcome to XFIXXI Bikes. Today, we're showing you how to safely repair a flat tire by removing and replacing the inner tube. Whether you're on the road or at home, this guide will help you get rolling again in just a few minutes. First, let's go over what you'll need. You'll need a new inner tube, a pair of tire levers, and a bicycle pump. Make sure your bike is on a stable surface or on a repair stand. If you have brakes installed, release the brake if necessary. Loosen the wheel using a wrench. Carefully loosen the chain and take the wheel off the frame. Insert your tire levers between the tire and the rim. Hook one lever onto a spoke and use the second tire lever to work around the tire off the rim. Now gently pull out the inner tube, push the valve through the rim, and remove the entire tube. Before installing the new tube, check the inside of the tire and rim for sharp objects. You don't want to get another flat right away. Now slightly inflate the new tube, just enough to give it shape. Insert the valve through the rim first, then tuck the tube into the tire all the way around. Using your hands, push the tire bead back onto the rim. Avoid using tools here. You don't want to pinch the new tube. Once the tire is fully seated, inflate the tube to the recommended PSI, which you can find on the side of the tire. Give the tire a spin to make sure it's seated evenly and there's no bulging. Now reinstall the wheel . Check the tension of the chain. Secure your brakes if you had to loosen it. And double check the alignment. That's it. You're good to go. Thanks for watching. Ride safe and stay flat free with XFIXXI Bikes.